Hello everyone, welcome to Engineer's Palette. I hope you all will be doing well. So today we will be studying swept cut. Let's make some sketch and then a 3D model of it because we want to cut some material. Extrude baser boss. I get 450. It's good. Good now. Okay, you can apply material if you want from here. Right click, edit material. There are all materials, types of steels, and then iron and aluminum alloys, copper alloys, many material. You can apply whatever you want, but I'm simply adding color to it just to change its appearance. Okay, let me change this color to red. Yeah, this one. Okay, red is good. Now right click and sketch. Let's draw some pattern, some rough pattern, and we will cut that. How it will work, like here, create a spline. Here, and something here and here, and just select it. Okay, now let's adjust this, make it a bit lower. Okay, first again make it okay. Let's drag this point down. It's not. Let's delete this one. It's not good. From here to here. Now this point. To here. Here. This one is here. Okay, now let's adjust it a bit more. Just move it like this, a bit more. I'm not so good at it, but let's make it a bit more. Okay, I think it's good. I'm not that good at making any patterns. Okay, so what we need to do now, go to features, select swept cut. Okay, but first exit of the sketch. Now select swept cut. Now you have three options here. One is sketch profile, circular profile. You would have known it because in swept boss we have studied it. And now there is a solid surface, solid profile. So means that like this kind of solid body you can drag it in any path. Okay, so from the first we need to study just circular profile. But before that, let's copy this one. I will tell you why I'm copying it. Man, okay, now again forget about copy. Okay, swept cut. Now circular profile, I want to, okay, circular profile from this. It's taking much time because I don't know, today my system is a bit slow. Okay, 40 millimeter circular profile over this. I want to swept cut it. Okay, I will not add thin feature because I'm removing complete material. Okay, now you can see here it has removed some material. Now you can just adjust to it. For example, I want this profile to mirror here, and then these both to mirror upward. So what I will do, I will check, like, yeah, front plane is okay, and then there is a right plane. So I will first mirror it. Go to mirror. In 2D mirror you need to give a reference line, but in 3D mirror you need to specify a mirror plane. So I'm giving a mirror plane, a right plane here. And now, okay, sorry. Now feature. I want this feature to get to be mirror. And now if I want secondary front plane, then they both will be mirrored upward as well. Okay, so my profiles are mirrored. Now I want to add color to them, to these faces. Here, hold control here, and no color. I want to add, for example, this color here, or a complete black, or here. Okay, so this is a profile that we have made, like this, or any shape you want. For example, one like this, or top view. Okay, so this was one profile. Now we'll make another one. Okay, let's draw that on a top plane again. Okay, but a bit here, not on top plane, but on some other plane. I will tell you why. For example, or okay, let's draw it on a top plane. Okay, how will it work? Okay, now select any line, simple line, from here to here, and then here, this, and now this. Okay, now go to revolve paw surface. I want to revolve it around this one. Give it this color. No, sorry, it is red also. I want to change the color first. I want to make it green. Okay, this green. Okay, it's good. Now what will I do? I want to make now I will draw something helix here. Or first I will need to create a sketch, circle over here. Or there is the other thing, that is convert entities. So how it works, if for example if there is a 3D circular path, there is a 3D body, so you can extract a sketch from that. For example, I am clicking convert entities. So what I want to convert, this edge. Okay, so here is my circle. It has given me some circle. Okay, now go back to and curves, helix. Now there is my helical shape or spiral. Okay, Pitch and revolution, I'm not giving it pitch or revolution, I'm giving it a height and, for example, revolution, and reverse its direction, and height should be, for example, okay, height should be 90, say, not 90, it could be like 200. Yes, it's good, but a bit lower than 200, 150. Yeah, it's good. Now revolution, how much revolution I want, for example, 20 revolutions. I think they're too much, so 10 revolution will be good. Okay, or yeah, it's good. Now 10 revolutions if you have created our sketch. Now what I want to do, I want to create some plane and this over here, because it is now perpendicular to it. I want to create some shape. For example, I am drawing some rectangular shape here. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, now what would I do? I just go to swept cut. Sketch is already selected. Now I need to, sorry, this is, yeah, it's sketch was selected, it's good. Now I want to select a path. This is my path. Okay, I don't have any guide curves or anything. I don't want thin feature, so just click OK, hit OK, and hide this one and hide this plane. Sorry, I don't want sketch, I wanted to hide it. Hide this one. Yeah, you can check it from here how it could. Now give color to it. I want white color. This will be good, looks good. Okay, top view. So this is all about swept cut. I'll see you in the next video. Please like and share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.